All right, we're gonna take a ride here in one of my favorite body styles. This is a 1970 and a half, they call it, Camaro Rally Sport split bumper. So a lot of people take that split bumper and they put the bumpers on and they don't change the whole front end. So instead of that little circular turn signals, they're rectangular. So this is a real one, you can tell. It's got a couple upgrades. It's got an L88 hood on it, which looks actually pretty cool to the car. And finished in original Daytona yellow with black interior. It's got the matching number 350, 300 horsepower motor. A couple upgrades on it. It's got aluminum intake and a Holley 4-barrel. It's got HEI ignition. It was an AC car originally, but that stuff is missing. I mean, the smuggler's box and all that stuff up under the hood is there, but if you want to get it going, you could probably put like a vintage air system, combine it, then you'll have AC. But it's got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a 12-volt rear end, 307 differential. It's a great driver, man. Factory tack, factory gauges. It's got the 3-spoke wheel here, which one of my favorites also. Horseshoe shifter. Got the wood grain dash components. Also has the 5-spoke Z28 wheels on there. It's got a Z28 emblem on the front. It's removable, but I don't know. Looks like a Z28. Kind of cool. A lot of guys clone those out like that, but real easy to take off if you didn't want it on there. Good looking car though, original California car. It's got the original blue license plates from 1970 on it that look amazing. We picked this car up out of the high desert and a guy had passed away, and it was like an estate sale, and we just did a few things to it to clean it up. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video of it. All right, check out this 1970 and a half Camaro split bumper Rally Sport. Great looking car, original color, Daytona yellow and black interior per the trim tag. It's got these cool 5-spoke rally wheels, Z28 emblems on there. Some BF Goodrich radial TAs, brand new ones. Nice car, man. Blue plated California car since new. It's always been in California. Those are the original plates. That doesn't happen too often. These cars change hands a bunch of times, and that's just how it goes. All the chrome is excellent. Interior, we had the seats recovered and everything, with the factory kits, you know. I think the seats are upgraded though. These are like 73 seats because they're supposed to have like a little headrest. But you know, 70 to 73 look the same, these Camaros. A lot of interchangeable parts. It's got the 3-spoke wheel. Nice gauge package there, a little additional gauge, Stewart Warner gauge there. Headliner's nice. It's got the 3-point factory belts. Horseshoe shifter. Yeah, antique radio. And it plays. Pretty cool. Very straight, solid, rust-free car though. That's what you want. It's got the L88 hood on it. That's a tasteful upgrade. I think it looks kind of cool. A lot of people did that to these cars back then. I've seen these on Vegas and Corvettes and Chevelles. But that original split bumper setup with the little round marker lights, that's the look. You can tell it's a real one. It's got Z28 emblems on it. You know what? You can take them off. They're not permanent. It's kind of cool. A lot of people like the Z28 clone look. They look identical. A little more horsepower, obviously. But a really good looking car. Here's the power plant in the 1970 and a half Rally Sport Camaro. That's the original motor. It's a 350, 300 horsepower. It's got a couple upgrades in it. Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, HEI ignition. It's got factory power steering, factory power disc brakes. And it was an air car. There's some of the AC components back there. If you want to put air back on it, you could. And when I was a kid, I took it off my early 60s car too. I don't know. Some people took them off, but it's nice to have air. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. It's a nice, smooth running 350. We just did a little bit of stuff. The car had been sitting, so we rebuilt the carburetor. We put those new valve covers on there, the fin valve covers. Those are the LT1 valve covers, same as the Z28 had, just to spice it up a little bit. A little chrome air cleaner. It runs nice and smooth though. It's got headers, dual exhaust all the way out the back. Just kind of toned down, you know. It's got turbo mufflers on it, so nothing too obnoxious. Sounds really good though. But if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. you have any questions, give me a call. My name's Rich. You know, we could ship it. There may be some financing available for you. Lots of options. If you want to come by and just take a look around. Thanks for watching.